second video of this important interview playlist. How to migrate a table from one schema to another schema. Here is a complete step-by-step answer to this important interview question. I made this video very simple, straight and to the point. Please don't forget to like this video and support me. Let's get started. How to migrate a table from one schema to another schema. Yes, friends, what is schema, by the way? Hope you remember. What is schema? Schema is an object to store tables or to group tables, not to store, sorry, group tables. For example, I'll take SQL School database. And here, what is that? Our requirement. How to migrate a table from one schema to another. So for that, I will take one table. Yes, the table is in DBO schema, right? Default schema. Assume you have a new schema like this. For example, schema called insurance schema. Okay, you have insurance schema in this way. Our requirement, how to migrate. Just wait, please. Let me close or minimize my PPT slide preview. Yes, here we go. How to migrate or transfer a table from one schema to another schema. Very simple and straight. Example, how to migrate insurance table from DBO schema, default schema is DBO, to insurance schema. Okay, you create the insurance schema, then alter schema name, transfer. What to transfer? Target schema, alter schema, target schema, transfer. What to transfer? Source schema, source table. Alter schema, target, transfer, source schema, source table, like this. Once we transfer, how do you verify? Simple. Select from the insurance table is no longer in DBO schema. It went to insurance schema, like this. Observe carefully. Okay. With this content, yes, we are learning how to work with the concept of transferring a table from one schema to another. Please observe carefully.